Hey, what's up, guys? It's your main man, Kid Frizz, doing a unboxing of my what's the name brand here? Hooke Road or Hooke Road. The doors for my Jeep. I believe that's Hooke Road, if I'm pronouncing it right. As you can see, it comes with some stickers. I like those stickers because I put them on my toolboxes. I have a lot of stickers on my toolbox. This is the hardware, of course. Let's see what's in here. This is the hardware. There's the bolts and nuts that you mount the doors to your Jeep. And this is the Jeep that they will be going on in the springtime and summertime. Okay. So it comes with the hardware, straps. I believe those straps are to keep you from opening the door too wide. It limits how far the door open up. This is actually one of the doors. I actually like that design. I really like this design. And it looks like it's powder coated. Got your latch and your little latch here to open the door when you want to get out. That looks pretty good. It's pretty heavy too, so it's really solid. Good quality. I can't wait to ride with my doors off in the springtime and summertime. It's gonna be pretty cool. So that's the other two doors here. So my wife bought these for me for Christmas. Let me know what you think. Take the mask out there so you can get a better look. There you go. Oh, yeah. So this is going to be, this is the passenger side. Passenger side there. I like that. I like how it's designed in the middle, gives you much more security. Or you feel like you have much more security. It's pretty heavy. So it's a good piece of steel. A little cushion point there when you close the door. Very nice design. Some nice doors. Very nice. Yeah, I like it. So, let me know what you think. That's the only tool you would need. 5mm socket wrench and a 14mm wrench. That's it. That comes in your hardware there, your hinges for each door. think I'm gonna put these stickers to work now. So there you have it. So we'll see how they ride when I put them on and ride with them. So that's the unboxing of my Hooke doors. Let me know what you think. This your main man, Kid Frizz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to my channel. I would certainly appreciate it. Until next time, peace.